Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling something that a lot of you are interested in. Heart palpitations. If you've ever felt that sudden flutter, racing heartbeat, or like your heart skipping a beat, you know it can be pretty alarming. But the good news is, heart palpitations are usually not dangerous, and today, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to stop heart palpitations naturally and safely. Get rid of it! Let's start with one of the easiest and most effective ways to stop palpitations. Deep breathing. Heart palpitations can often be triggered by anxiety or stress, and slow, deep breathing helps calm your nervous system, which in turn helps regulate your heartbeat. Here's exactly how you do it. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes to minimize distractions. Place one hand on your belly and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose for about 4 seconds, letting your belly rise as you inhale. Hold that breath for 2 to 3 seconds. Then, slowly exhale through your mouth for about 6 to 7 seconds, feeling your belly fall. Repeat this for 2 to 3 minutes. You should notice your heart calming down. This works because studies, like one conducted by the Cleveland Clinic, have shown that deep breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps slow down a racing heart. Next up, water. Dehydration can actually lead to an imbalance in your electrolytes, which can trigger palpitations. If you're not drinking enough water throughout the day, your body might struggle to keep your heart rhythm in check. To fix this, drink a full glass of water when you feel palpitations starting. Make sure you're drinking at least 8 cups of water a day, and more if you're exercising or in hot climates. This is backed by research from the Mayo Clinic, which points out that dehydration can lead to low blood pressure and an irregular heartbeat. Staying hydrated is an easy and effective fix. This one might sound a little odd, but it's a simple technique you can do anywhere. It's called the Valsalva maneuver, and it helps reset your heart's electrical signals if they're out of rhythm. Here's how to do it. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Pinch your nose shut with your fingers. Close your mouth and try to exhale, like you're blowing up a balloon. But here's the key. Don't let any air escape. You should feel pressure building up in your chest. Hold that pressure for about 10 to 15 seconds, then release. It's similar to when you're trying to pop your ears on an airplane. What you're doing here is stimulating the vagus nerve, which helps control your heart rate. Research from Johns Hopkins Medicine has shown that this method can help slow down your heart when it's racing. Another thing that might be triggering your heart palpitations is stimulants. Caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, and even certain medications can cause your heart to race. So, if you're dealing with frequent palpitations, it's worth cutting back on the following: coffee or energy drinks, smoking or nicotine products, alcohol, medications like decongestants or appetite suppressants. Always consult your doctor before stopping any medication. A review from Harvard Medical School suggests that people who are sensitive to caffeine or other stimulants are more likely to experience palpitations, so reducing these can make a big difference. Magnesium-rich foods. Sometimes heart palpitations can be due to low magnesium levels, which is an important mineral that helps regulate heart rhythm. Adding magnesium-rich foods to your diet can help. Here are a few foods to include for this. Leafy greens like spinach and kale. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds and pumpkin seeds. Bananas. Avocados. Dark chocolate. Yup, this one's a win. The American Heart Association has actually highlighted the importance of magnesium in maintaining a steady heart rhythm, so keeping your magnesium levels up can be a natural way to reduce palpitations. Lastly, stress is a huge trigger for heart palpitations. So, it's super important to find ways to de-stress. You can try stretching exercises, meditation, listening to calming music, journaling about your feelings. Even just taking a few minutes out of your day to focus on relaxing can make a huge difference. In fact, a study from the National Institutes of Health found that mindfulness and meditation can significantly reduce the frequency of palpitations related to anxiety. So, there you have it. Deep breathing, staying hydrated, trying the Valsalva maneuver, cutting out stimulants, eating magnesium-rich foods, and managing stress are all effective, research-backed ways to stop heart palpitations. And remember, while these tips can help you manage occasional palpitations, always talk to your doctor if they're happening frequently or are making you feel unwell. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, share this with someone who might benefit, and leave a comment below if you've ever tried any of these tips.